This urban spirit tidbit is brought in part by viewers like you. He is called the Mackey bird, for his preference of a certain fast food chain. However, they are terribly shy, and not very social among other urban spirits, or even birds. They typically make their appearance once all other residents have settled in for the night. This Mackey bird has a preferred hiding spot during the day. Can you guess where he is? There he is. While this Mackey is also a timid one, he loves to watch others from his vantage point. Oh, there he goes. A bit of a nasty fall there. He also has a very specific diet. His beloved French fry,